The World Economic Forum launched the Lighthouse Plant Network initiative. These plans should serve as beacons to guide others in overcoming challenges with technologies such as artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and so on. When selecting a company, do you also take into account how they manage skills?
Absolutely. I mean, if I take a step back, we started focusing pretty much in use cases centered all around the adoption of new technologies to transform factories, right, and production lines. Now, over time, we realized that there was a need, and that was pretty much a request that came throughout from our community to expand the focus and start looking at other dimensions. So it's not only how technology is transforming factories, but it's also how technology it's enabling the workforce to increase productivity and drive a productivity revolution on the shop floor. And at the same time, because that's another important dimension, to drive sustainability. So how can we leverage these technologies to make our production lines and systems more sustainable?
And what are you learning from this experience?
Well, I think the most interesting and most exciting thing that we are finding is that by having this network of 26 of the most advanced factories on the world, we can see in real time how technologies are changing and transforming the different tasks that operators perform on a day-to-day basis. Because technology is not changing jobs, it changes the task that operations are performing. And when you look at the conversations that are happening around, very often the starting point of the conversation is technology and jobs, but we are missing the analysis at the task level. So if we need to understand how jobs in manufacturing are going to look like in the next 10 years, we need to look at the task level, and we need to understand how specific technologies and use cases, which are the combination of technologies, are going to change the task that an operator performs. And very often what is happening and what we are seeing is that the way in which is changing is freeing up time that operators then can use to focus on more added value activities.